Now we'll start exercise 2.3. So let's see. So number one question is that find 1 by 4 of 1 by 4, 3 by 5 and 4 by 3. So I am doing number one, bit 1 question. Bit 1 question is what? 1 by 4 of number A 1 by 4. A 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 of 1 by 4. So look at here. 1 by 4 of means into 1 by 4. So what you are getting? 1 into 1, 4 into 4. So numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. So 1 into 1 is 1, 4 into 4 is 16. Next, bit number B, the same 1 by 4 of 3 by 5. So 1 by 4 of 3 by 5. So what you will write? Of means into. 1 by 4 into 3 by 5. So what it is? 1 into 3. I am not again writing. I am directly multiplying. 1 into 3. Numerator into numerator. 3. 4 into 5 equal to 20. So answer is 3 by 20. Number C. Number C is what? 1 by 4 of 4 by 3. 1 by 4 of 4 by 3. So 1 by 4 of means into 4 by 3. So 1 into 4 equal to 4. 4 into 3 equal to 12. So answer is 4 by 12. So this is about question number 1. So rest you will do by yourself. Next we will move to question number 2. So look at question number 2. What it is given? Multiply and reduce to lowest form if possible. So you have to multiply and reduce, means minimize it to lowest form wherever possible, if there is possibility. So now 2 bit 1 is how much? 2 by 3 into 2 and 2 by 3. 2 by 3 into 2 and 2 by 3. So here this is one fraction, proper fraction, this is one mixed fraction. So here mixed fraction is there. So you convert this mixed fraction into fraction, then multiply it. So 2 by 3 into 3 to the 6 plus 2, 8. 8 by 3. Answer is 2 8 ja 16 by 3 3 ja 9. So this is the answer, 16 by 9. Now this is also an improper fraction. You can write it as a 16, 9, 9 1 ja 9, 7, 16. So answer is 7 and 1 by, sorry, 1 and 7 by 9. So 1 is quotient, 7 is remainder and 9 is divisor. So this is the answer of bit 1. Let's see another without mixed fraction. V. Bit V. What it is given? 1 by 3 into 15 by 8. 1 by 3 into 15 by 8. Multiply numerator by numerator. 1 into 15 equal to 15. 3 into 8 equal to 24. Next, this is fraction. This fraction can be reduced. So you can reduce 3 5 ja 15, 3 8 ja 24. So reduced form is 5 by 8. So this is the answer. So here mixed fraction form you have got, and here reduced form you have got. Same fraction, the same fraction. I'll take bit 3. So what is the 3 by 2 into 5 and 1 by 3. 3 by 2 into 5 and 1 by 3. So write 3 by 2. Convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 5 3 is 15 plus 1, 16 by 3. So you can cut this 3 and this 3, and 2 1 is 2, 2 8 is 16. So what you got? 8 by 1 equal to 8. Next. Next we'll move to question number 4. 4 is what? Which is greater? Which is greater? Let's see. Number 1. 2 by 7 of 3 by 4. 3 by 5 of 5 by 8. 2 by 7 of 3 by 4 or 3 by 5 of 5 by 8. 3 by 5 of 5 by 8. So you have to find out these things. So first to find out 2 by 7 of 3 by 4. 2 by 7 of 3 by 4 equal to 2 by 7 into 3 by 4. So cut it. 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4. So what you are getting? 3. So you are dividing the numerator with denominator. You can divide it if they have common fraction. Sorry, common multiple. Then this one is 2 1 is 2, 3 1 is 3, 7 2 is 14. So they have, the answer is 3 by 14. Next see, 3 by 5 of 5 by 8 equal to 3 by 5 of, of means into 5 by 8. So here 5 and 5 can be divided. So what you are getting? 5 1 is 5, 5 1 is 5, 3 into 1 equal to 3, 1 into 8 equal to 8. So here 3 by 14, 3 by 8. So we got two answers. So these are two different fractions. So we have to see which one is greater. So for greater we have to see, we have to take the LCM. We have to make them like fraction. So you have to take the LCM of denominator. So LCM of denominator is 8 and 14. LCM of 14, 8 equal to, we have to find out here 14, 8, 2 7 is 14, 2 4 is 8. So LCM equal to 2 into 7 into 4. So 2 7 is 14, 14 4 is 56. So LCM is what? 56. So now convert it into like fraction. What you will do? 14 into, what you will multiply with 14? 14 into 4 equal to 56. So 4 into 4. So here make it into like fraction. Of for 8, what you will do? 8 7 is 56. So 7, 8 into 7, 3 into 7. So 4 3 is 12 by 56. Here 7 3 is 21 by 56. Now you can know which one is bigger. This 21 by 56 is greater number. So 3 by 5 of 5 by 8 is greater. So what you will write the answer? Since 21 by 56 is greater than 12 by 56, therefore 2 by 7 of, not 2 by 7, 3 by 5 of 5 by 8 is greater than 2 by 7 of 3 by 4. So you have to do other one, that next one like this, so that you have to multiply for finding the answer, then convert it into light fraction. After that you can know which one is greater and you can write like this. Number 5. Number 5 question is what? Sally plants 4 saplings in a row in her garden. The distance between two adjacent saplings is 3 by 4 meter. Find the distance between first and last sapling. So 4 saplings. Sapling means what? The baby plant. The plant which is grown from the seed, the newly plant, that one is known as saplings. So that one is also known as baby plant. So Sally planted how many? 4 saplings. So here 1, 2, 3, 4 saplings. So in a row in her garden. Then the distance between two adjacent saplings is, these are two adjacent saplings. So like that, the distance is how much? The distance is 3 by 4 meter. So this distance is how much? 3 by 4 meter. From here to here distance is 3 by 4 meter. So find the distance between, you have to find the distance between first to last sapling. So first you will write the distance between two adjacent means nearby, adjacent saplings equal to how much? 3 by 4 meter. Next, number of saplings how much? 4. Number of saplings is 4, but number of between 4 saplings, how much gap is there? 1, 2, 3. So gap between 4 saplings equal to 3 by 4 into 4 meter. So gap is how much? 3 meter. So we have found from here to here 3 meter. So sorry, not gap, number of gaps. Number of gaps between to this one. Number of gaps is how much? 3 by 4 into 4. So there are 3 gaps are there. If one gap is 3 by 4 meter, so distance between one gap equal to 3 by 4 meter. So hence distance between 1, 2, 3, we have found out 3 gaps. 3 gaps equal to 3 by 4 into 3 equal to 3 3s are 9, 9 by 4 meter. So we can convert it into mixed fraction. 4 2s are 8. So 2 and 1 by 4 meter. So the distance between this first sapling to last sapling is what? You will write thus the distance between first sapling to second last sapling is 2 and 4 meter. Next we will move to question number 6. Question number 6, like you can do like previous one, and question number 6 is Lipika reads a book for 1 and 3 by 4 hours every day. She reads the entire book in 6 days. How many hours in all were required by her to read a book? So it is given 6 days. In 6 days you have to find how many hours. So you have to 1 and 3 hours every day means in 6 days how many hours. So you can write it as a number 6. What you will write? In every day So what you write? In one day, Lipika reads how many portion? How many hours? 1 and 3 by 4 hours. So convert it into fraction, improper fraction. 4 1 is 4, 3, 7. 7 by 4 hours. This is in one day. You have to find. So she needs how much day? 6 days to complete the book. So she needs 6 days to complete the book. So 6 days. In one day she is spending this much hour. So reads for in 6 days Lipika reads for 7 by 4 into 6 equal to now 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6, 7 3 is 21 by 2 hours. So 21 by 2 hours. Now this is the answer. Now convert it into fraction, improper fraction. 21 2, 2 1 is 2, 1 2 0 is 0 1. So remainder is 1. So your quotient is 10 and 10 and 1 by 2 hours. So question number 8 is given what? Look, number 8A is provide the number in the box such that 2 by 3 into box equal to 10 by 30. 8A1. So what it is given? 2 by 3 into box equal to how much? 10 by 30. This much is given. So what it is given? 2 into, so here one fraction will be multiplied. So 2 into something is multiplied, that will get 10, and 3 into some number is multiplied, that will get your denominator. So if you multiply numerator with numerator, you will get numerator. In product, you will get numerator. So 2 into 5 is 10. So denominator into denominator is equal to denominator, product, denominator of product. So 3 into 10 equal to 30. So you can mention it here in box. Answer is 5 by 10. So 2 by 3 into 5 by 10 equal to 10 by 30. Next, bit 2, what it is given? The simplest form of the number obtained is dash. So we have to find out the number obtained. What we have found, its simplest form we have to found out. So let's see. So what we have found? 5 by 10. So simplest form, 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10. So this much it will be reduced. So simplest form is what? 1 by 2. This is the simplest form. So that's all for today. So you need to do all exercises along with classwork. So first submit me classwork, then give me this homework. And if you have any doubt, then ask me.